Hello, friends and family. Once again, I am Ismail Kone, and today I will be talking about social media. Many young people in our generation today use social media without knowing the benefit of it. In fact, Facebook, which is the most used social media with 1.59 billion active users, is used by most of the young people today as a photo gallery. So today I will be explaining 3 key benefits of social media. So let's get started. Kindly click the like button and subscribe. So my first point here is social media help us to meet and stay in touch with new people. Sometimes we might meet people who may be able to connect us to opportunities and others who might be trying to cause destruction in our life. Meeting new friends on social media have a lot of benefits, but we have to take our time and understand those we get in touch with. 2. It helps us to start and do business. Today, it is hard to imagine a business without social media. Around 2 billion people, more than half a quarter, are now on social media. So starting and launching a business is more easier than ever. If we can use social media to start a business or advertise our local businesses, it will boost it with more clients. That is even far better than using social media as a photo gallery. 3. Social media keep us up to date. Nowadays, many people choose social media as one of the main sources of information. Why? Because almost half of the world's population are now on social media. And most of these people listen to news or follow the sources live through their social media pages. So for example, I most of the time get news from BBC page on social media because I am following them live. So cultures go through numerous changes in every era, and in recent years ours has been more impacted than anything else by social media. If we use social media effectively, it gives all of us choice in how we live and what happens in our world. Thank you for watching. Kindly click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.